Welcome dear students, myself Purushottam Pathak. Today I will explain you exercise 4.4 of Maths for Standard 7. In the previous class I had explained you exercise 4.3 how to solve the equations in various ways. Today we will proceed with the applications of those equations in algebra. See, the first sum in the exercise 4.4, that is in the page number 91 of your NCERT book. Look at the A number sum. In the first sum you are asked set up equations and solve them to find unknown numbers in the following cases. You are asked to find the unknown numbers. That means in algebra we consider x variable as the known number. Assuming that x is the variable number here, we will consider the unknown number. We will assume the unknown number to be x and now find out or set up the equations to solve. Add 4 to 8 times a number. If you assume that let the required number be x. If you have assumed the number to be x, then add 4 to 8 times the number, 8 times of the number. That means 8x, 8 times of variable x will be 8x plus 4. 4 is added, we will get 60. Once you got the equation, now we need to solve the equation. How? Very simply you can solve it. So many ways I have taught you. Transposing you will find here much more suitable. See how? 8x equals 60 minus 4. In the next line, 8x equals 56. 8x equals 56 by 8. Therefore, x equal to, 8 will not appear here, only x will appear here. X equal to 56 by 8, x equal to 7. As I have solved first one, similarly you can go for the B, C and D also. Let me look at another sums also. Let me describe you the D number. In the D number also we need to write the same statement. See, change the number to D, let the required number be x. In the D number it is asked when I subtract 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. Let the number be x, twice of the number will be, according to question, it will be 2x, twice of the number 2x, and 11 is subtracted from that number. Minus 11 equals, result is 15. Now solve the equation to find the value of x. See, 2x equals 15 plus 11. 2x equals 26. X equals 26 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 30. In this way, you can solve all the remaining sums in the one number. Is there any sum much more difficult? Let me try Z number also. See, in the G number sum, it is asked, one thinks of a number if he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23. Let the number thought by Anwar be x. According to question, if he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, 5 by 2 of the number means 5 by 2x, and takes away 7 minus 7, it will be equal to given 23. Now you can solve the given equation as 5x by 2 equals 23 plus 7, or x equals 23 plus 7, it is 30, into 5 by 2, we will take the inverse of 5 by 2 there, that is 2 by 5, 5, 6 is 30, therefore 6 equal to 12. In this way, all the sums will be solved of one number. Now, after completion of one number, come to the two number. There also we are asked to set up the equations and solve the equations. See. The second sum is there in the page number 91 only. And in the second sum, we are asked in the A number, the teacher tells the class that highest marks obtained by a student in a class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Highest mark is also given, that is 87. What is the lowest score? If you are asked the lowest score, assume let the lowest score be X according to question. Highest mark is given, so we can write the RHS first. Highest mark is 87, so RHS is already known, and in the LHS we need to set up the equation there. The highest marks obtained by a student in a class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So twice the lowest marks will be 2x and plus 7. 7 will be added, it will be 87. Now if you solve this equation for x, 2x equals 87 minus 7, 2x equals 80, x equals 80 by 2, therefore x equal to 40, and so on. You can solve B and C also. Let me look at the B, what is given there. I think A number is very much clear to you. Come to the B. In the B also we need to assume the number to be X. See, change it to B. In the B number, in an isosceles triangle, of course you know in an isosceles triangle, see, this side and this side must be equal. The base angles are equal, as sides are equal, base angles are also equal, these angles are equal, and the vertex angle is 40 degree. This angle is given as 40 degree. Now, what are the base angles of the triangle? You are asked to find out these two angles of the triangle. If we assume both of these angles to be x, then let the lowest score be x will not be applicable here. We need to write here let the measure of base angles be x degree each. According to question, we know it very well that sum of all the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So we can write here x plus 40 degree is the vertex angle equal to 180 degree. Now solve the equation for x. 2x plus, reduce one step, 2x equals 40 degree will be transposed to RHS. 2x equals 180 minus 40, that is 140 degree. X equals 140 degree by 2, therefore x equal to 70 degree. In this way you can find the B number also. Let me see the C number also. See, in the C number, Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their run fell too short of a double century. How many runs did each one score? Sachin had scored twice, so let us consider Rahul's score. Let Rahul's score be X. Then Sachin had scored twice, so then Sachin's score equal to 2x. According to question, it has been given in the question that the sum of their runs, that is x plus 2x, sum of their runs fell too short of double century. So double century minus 2 became the too short of double century. Now of course you can solve the sum yourself. 3x equals 198 or x equals 198 by 3, therefore x equals to 3 6 80, 1 3 6 80, 66. In this way you can find out Rahul's score. Now we need to find the Sachin's score. So separately we will write, hence I am lacking the space here. Let me write at the top. Hence Rahul's score equals 60 and Sachin's score. Sachin's score equal to 66 into 2, that is 132. These two lines belongs to the bottom. Here I could not adjust these two lines, that's why I have written here. I have started the sum from here and sum is over here. Now come to the next sum, that is 3 number. In the 3 number sum, page number 91, the first sum is there. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmeet have? Let the number of marbles Parmeet has equals x. Then the number of marbles Irfan has equals, Irfan is having we are only asked to set up the equation, not then the number of marbles has x. According to question, directly we can write here. We don't need to write the number of marbles, because number of marbles owned by Irfan is given there, that is 37. Here it is given. Irfan says that 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble. 5 times this number plus 7. This will be 37. If you go to solve this equation, you will get the value of x. This will be the, of course, let us solve it. 5x equals to 37 minus 7. In the next step, 5x equals 30. X equals 30 by 5. Therefore, x equal to 6. The first one. Come to the second one. In the third sum only. In the second one, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? Let Lakshmi's age be x. About his father, age is also mentioned. So, according to question, his father's age is he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3 times Lakshmi's age means 3x, and more than 4 years more means plus 4 equal to, his age is given as 49 years. Now try to find out the value of x, that will be the age of Lakshmi. So it will be 3x equal to 49 minus 4, or 3x equals 45, x equals 45 by 3, therefore x equal to 15. You can solve the second one like this. Come to the third one. Sum looks to be longer, but things are not too much. It's too much easy. People of Sundargram planted tree in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. Number of non-fruit trees are given, and you are asked to find out the number of fruit trees. So let the number of fruit trees be x. About the non-fruit trees, it has been given. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. The number of fruit trees x, and 3 times of this x, 3x plus 2 more than, plus 2 equals, number of non-fruit trees are given as 77. Number of fruit trees, thrice of fruit trees plus 2 equal to 77. That means if you solve this equation for x, you will get the number of fruit trees, that is 3x equals to 77 minus 2, 3x equal to 75, x equal to 75 by 3, therefore x equal to 25. Hence number of fruit trees we got 25. Come to the last sum of 4 number. You are asked to identify the number. I am a number, tell my identity. And what are the things that given about the number? Take me 7 times over. 4 number sum, page number 91. The required number equals to take me 7 times over. Instead of writing the required number, let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. According to question, it is given take me over 7 times, means 7x, and add a 50 plus 50. To reach a triple century, still it has not reached triple century. To reach triple century, you still need 40. That means if you add 40 to that number, then it will be 300. So that number is 40 less than 300. Now solve this equation for x. You will get that number 7x equal to 300 minus 40, that is 260, and plus 50 will be transferred to RSS as minus 50. We got 7x equal to 210, x equal to 210 by 7, therefore x equal to 30. In this way, solve exercise 4.4. In the next class, we will of course proceed to the next exercise. Thank you very much.